The Nokia 3.4 comes with a die-cast metal chassis that makes it strong and durable. It also comes with a 3D nano-textured cover featuring a Nordic finish. It is available in fjord, dusk and charcoal colors. The phone comes with a 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory for a smooth and efficient performance. The phone comes with dual SIM. Nokia 3.4 has a 6.39-inch HD Plus screen with a punch-hole display for an immersive viewing experience. The phone also has a fingerprint unlock for easy and secure access. The phone features a 13-megapixel plus 5-megapixel ultra-wide plus 2-megapixel depth triple camera AI imaging. It also comes with portrait mode and night mode to enhance your photography. Powered by Android 10.0 operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 mobile platform, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. The phone comes with an adaptive battery that gives up to 2 days of battery life. The box includes handset, quick start guide, charger, Type-C USB cable, SIM tray tool, headset and jelly case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.